Namaste. In the last class, we have studied parts of a circle and definitions of point, line segment, and ray. See, how many parts we have studied? Yes, 4 parts we have studied. What are they? Yes, a circumference, radius, center, and diameter. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about making shapes on the dot grid. Okay. See, we are going to discuss making shapes on the dot grid. A dot grid consists of dots marked at equal distances. See, each dot marked at equal distances. Here also, equal distances. Then, dot grids are of 2 types: square dot grid and isometric dot grid. 2 types of dot grids: square dot grid and isometric dot grid. What is the difference between these 2 types of dot grids? This is a square dot grid. See, the second row is just under the first row. The first point is here, just under the second row's first point. But in isometric dot grid, see, the first row is this one, second row, first row is just under the second row, but the points are not in a line. See, the first two, in the first row, first 2 points, in between the first 2 points, just under the second row's first point. The first 2 points is here, just in between the first 2 points, just under the second row's first point. Here, first row and second row, each points are in a line, just under. There is a difference between a square dot grid and isometric dot grid. See, square dot grid is used to draw 2-dimensional figures. This dot grid is used to draw 2-dimensional figures. And this isometric dot grid is used to draw 3-dimensional figure. First, we are going to draw 2-dimensional shapes on a square dot grid. See, first one is square. We are going to draw square. In the square, you already studied all the sides are equal, isn't it? So, first we are going to draw square. All the sides are equal. That means here we take 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal, isn't it? So, this side also 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side also 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this side also 4 points. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. This is a square. We are going to draw a rectangle. Rectangles, that one also you already studied. That is, opposite sides are equal, isn't it? See, first we take here 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Opposite sides equal, isn't it? Here 5 points, so here also 5 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 points, so here also 3 points. That is 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we are going to draw triangle. Triangle, sometimes all the sides are equal, sometimes two sides will equal. It will depends on the problem. Okay, so that is not a matter here. So it will draw C. That is your choice. I take 3 points this side, 1, 2, 3, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points, and here also 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We are going to draw circle. This one also has no rules. It will draw your choice to choose the points, choose the dots. Here I am focusing this much points. That means draw like this. This is comfortable to draw the circle. Okay. This one is comfortable for drawing circle. Okay. It is your choice to choose the points. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to draw three-dimensional shapes on the isometric dot grid. In the three-dimensional shapes, first one is cube. Cube, all the edges are equal, isn't it? Yes. So, all the edges are equal, so we take 2 points each, 2 points in the each edge. See, first one is this way and this way, then this way, again this way, then joining these 2 points, then these 2 points. Okay, this is a cube. All the edges are equal. Okay. Next, we are going to draw cuboid on the isometric dot grid. See, in the cuboid, opposite edges are equal, isn't it? Yes. See, here, first we take 2 points, joining these 2 points and these 2 points. Then joining these 3 points, and here also 3 points because opposite edges are equal. These opposite edges are equal, so here 3 points, here also 3 points. Then joining these 2 points and these 2 points. Here joining these 2 points and these 2 points. Here also joining these 2 points and these 2 points. Then joining these 3 points. Okay, these 3 points. that is opposite edges are equal. Now we are going to draw cylinder on a isometric dot grid. See, joining these 3 points and here also joining these 3 points, then draw like this and here also draw like this. Okay, then here draw like this, draw like this and draw like this. Okay, next we are going to draw cone on a isometric dot grid. See, draw joining these points and here also joining these points. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Here also 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then join like this. Okay, this is a cone. We are going to draw sphere on the isometric dot grid. See, points choosing, that is your choice. See, I am taking this way. Joining the points like that. Then drawing like this. This is a sphere. Today we have studied making shapes on the dot grid. In the square dot grid, two-dimensional shapes, that is square, a rectangle, triangle and circle. In the isometric dot grid, three-dimensional shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Today we have studied making shapes on the dot grid. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.